Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the .NET Framework 4.8 is not supported on this operating system in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type 10 Windows switches on or off. Click on open it. You just need to uncheck this option guys, .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8. After that click on OK to save changes. After getting this done, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it. Select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it in the address bar and press enter. On left side you just need to make sure you selected Windows. On right side you just need to double click on the CSD version. Change this value data 0 to 100 and click on OK. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can install the .NET framework without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.